Let me tell you something. Design jobs make people lose their hair. Never mind, today I will show you a simple method to change the color of your hair without making complex masks and so on. Ancient rules. Let's take some silly selfies. First, right-click the layer in the Layers panel and convert it to a smart object. This will secure the image. Then go to the top menu, find the filter, and click Camera Raw Filter. Or use the shortcut Command-Shift-A if it's a Mac or Control-Shift-A if it's a PC. Then find Masking on the right side of the Camera Raw interface. At this time, Photoshop will automatically analyze the image. You can see in the People function, Photoshop is finding people in the photo. This should not be a difficult task for Photoshop. After that, you can mouse over and find that the mask has been prepared for you. Click to enter. You will be even more surprised to find that Photoshop will go even further to find out all the details contained in the image, including facial skin, body skin, eyebrows, etc. All we need to do is select the hair and click Create. At this moment, Photoshop Camera Raw has already masked my hair. Then you can use several options in color: hue, saturation or temperature, tint to change the color you want. Next, you should go to Light or Curve to further adjust the details to make this hair color look more natural. Finally, you need to fix the areas where Photoshop Camera Raw is not perfect. Let's say here it changed the color of parts of my skin and some parts that shouldn't be colored. At the top mask column, we can click Subtract and then select Brush. Then, you just need to adjust the size of the brush a little bit and then brush around on the areas you don't want the color to be changed. This can make the overall result more perfect. Let me show you the comparison before and after. Camera Raw is a very powerful filter in Photoshop. In many cases, you don't need any complex selections and masks manually. Camera Raw will automatically help you solve these problems. Using this method, you can easily change your hair to any color. Of course, all the selfies I used here look a bit silly. I didn't use the stock images to illustrate the case. I wanted to show everyone as close to reality as possible. Hope you don't mind. Thanks so much for your time. Let me know if you need any details of this project in the comment. For some projects, I will share the PSD source files with you guys to download, links in the description. On the other hand, if you have any Photoshop effects that need me to help you go through with, let me know. I'll keep uploading.